All right, everybody. These are going to be the Gurney elevators here at the Macy's Herald Square in New York, New York.
Also, once the elevator gets used that way, it's getting better in memory.
3 of them over here. Okay, yeah, and there's more back over there.
Yeah, those are the Monarch, I think. Or whatever company that's called.
Oh, and there's also an individual call station for this one.
I think this one's the service elevator.
Yeah, probably doubles as one if they need it to be one.
Mm-hmm.
Because sometimes even in buildings where they'll have service or freight elevators, they'll sometimes convert a passenger into one and have call stations set up to do that with. Well, that one has a more modern cab. This is the one we want. Oh, wow. This one's not too exciting either. Neat panel layout, though.
Maybe the manual, the crank it might be on the other bank of elevators.
Maybe. And these ones have monitor fixtures. Welcome to New York.
In Boston Metro.
Alright, let's go to 9.
These are the Gurney elevators. That was a very bad place for the call building. It's pulling a Mad.
Mm-hmm.
That's the way Mad sets them up.
Yeah. Alright, we're on 1.
Pulling a ThyssenKrupp.
Which floor are you? 3.
Oh, nice.
I think that's gonna stop, I hope. No?
No. Oh well, we'll come down. What a fun day we're having.
Yeah.
Up and down a little. In Macy's, mind you.
Yeah.
Up and down. I'll come out when you can get out. Thank you. Oh, you have to hold it.
I might not be able to stop them.
Don't know.
I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna see if I can transfer. Might be that car there.
Yeah.
I don't know for sure.
You
can head on down.
It's either that car or the other thing.
Yeah. Okay, good. And that call didn't light up. So.
There's another set of wooden escalator right there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't realize there was more than one here.
Yeah. There's 4 sets. There's one of the sets have only up escalator only. Definitely hear the wood too.
This one. Now, hopefully this is the one I'm looking for. No.
Going down?
Oh, hi. What's
Did
up?
you seriously remove it?
Did they remove all the ones that had the cranks in them?
No, they haven't.
Oh wait,
Still,
that's the other
sometimes.
bank, I think.
Okay.
Isn't that the other bank, or?
I guess so.
Look who I'm with.
Hello.
Hello.
And we're stopping, of course.
Of course.
Yeah. There was like a full house worth of people in the other car we were on.
Yeah, the ones by 7th Avenue, yeah.
Going down.
Him? Yes. I'll show you guys the hand crank ones next.
Okay.
Which floor, lobby?
First floor.
First floor, okay.
Don't mind us, we're elevator enthusiasts.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
I do know what this stuff is.
Alright.
Have a good one.
Enjoy. Thanks for your
You have a good one.
ThyssenKrupp.
Yeah, kinda does sound like a ThyssenKrupp lantern, yeah.
Well, ThyssenKrupp used Mars sample.
Mm-hmm.
How
you
old
can
are you, Riley? 21?
Yeah.
And you can see there used to be a company logo down there.
Oh, why aren't we moving?
I hit
Just takes a
D.
second.
Did it? Are we stuck?
Guess we,
Uh-oh.
Are we moving?
Are we seriously stuck again?
Shoot.
Oh, there we go.
Alright, let's get off. Yes.
So here's the ones that they handle.
Okay.
Oh, wait, it must be those ones then.
Oh, so there's actually two banks in one here. Interesting.
Yeah.
I want to see what's over here. Okay, here's the annunciator panel.
Well, that was another thing, almost.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have been bad if we got stuck. All right, let's try these cars. And
These are much cooler. These have the handles.
I tried both ones, just in case. I just decided to open it.
Are you filming or not?
I guess so.
these are on separate controllers from those.
Oh yeah. I think those ones are like the low rises. Yeah, I'll get rid
No,
of
these
it.
ones. No, those ones are the whole building. Well, not the whole building, but the whole department store area.
Oh wait, I think these are the express elevators or
Oh, this one.
Oh, this is the one we were looking for. These ones have the cranks.
Yep, these do.
Alright, this
Oh
one has
wow,
the
look at
cranks.
this. Gurney elevator.
Which floor do you guys want to go to, sir? Which
Let's-
floor do you guys?
Which is going down.
We
Yeah,
got only 6 on these, I think.
we gotta wait a sec. It
Yeah,
thinks
for the
it's going
control.
down.
Oh wow, these are nice.
Yep. 6.
Here we go. Wow. And here's our elevator operator, Gabe.
What's up? Gotta slow it down a floor before,
Yeah, because we don't want to crash into the ceiling.
No. especially with how fast these are going.
Even though like they will stop automatically once it reaches to the top floor.
Yep. Let's see if we're gonna go up or are we gonna go down. Yep, we're still
Oh, we're going up.
Interesting. I guess one of the buttons don't even light up.
Well,
Maybe
it
it's
lit up, but it didn't stay lit. That's
Or
what's
that's
weird.
what I meant, like it doesn't stay lit.
Yeah, I think this is an employee only area.
Okay. Do you know where there's anyone we can talk to so we could maybe see the manuals here?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I saw one open just a little while ago.
Okay.
Aren't these beautiful though?
Oh yeah.
They are very beautiful. This is a tasteful mod.
These got to be
For
like
real.
about at least 350 feet per minute. I guess we could always ask a manager of the store
Okay.
if they could take us for a ride on one of the manual freights.
Yeah, hopefully we can find someone.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna do one more ride on this car.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, and obviously they sealed the crank into place.
Yeah.
But
But if you don't need the crank because you have me to operate it.
Yeah.
The invisible crank. And of course going down.
Yeah, I know. Going up?
Yes.
What floor would you like?
It only goes up to the 6th floor. It goes directly to the restaurant.
Okay.
Are you one of the managers here?
I am one of the sectors, yeah.
So, we have autism. We go around taking videos of elevators. We know the freight elevators have the original handles on them and stuff like that. I was wondering if there was any way we could get someone to take us for a ride in one of the freight cars.
My suggestion would be go to the 8th floor to the business administration office, and they probably can get someone to do that for
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we'll go to 8. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say we're autistic.
No, you're perfectly fine.
Hey.
There's nothing wrong with that.
You have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Now that is what a nice person looks like.
Yeah, exactly, 100%. We could write the witness for this, except for that either.
And well, there it goes. I love those lanterns too.
There's something, right?
It's
Gonna be a
Oh, Pacific.